I'm here at Siam Square, and there's still a lot of construction going on here. And this is the mall where you have the new flag store. The new flagship store of SOS. Yeah, normally I come here a bit later in the evening because it's not that hot, but I happen to be here in the middle of the day. And I just wanted to give a short update for the Bangkok Expat. It looks like they are doing a photo shoot. The last time I was here, they were still constructing here on these 3 areas as well, but that all seems to be ready now. New Jurassic Park movie. Yeah, just wanted to give a quick update. I already made a full video about this area on Global Travel Mate. If you enjoyed this one, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.